barbecue yard. Today we're here doing a team building exercise at Simi Valley Toyota. At the barbecue yard, we introduce you to the art of outdoor cooking. Today we created a barbecue competition for the employees within the company, and they were judged on 3 categories. Everyone was grouped into teams led by award-winning pitmasters, where they learned how to smoke ribs, mac and cheese, and coleslaw. Today, everyone learned how to come together again as a team and gain confidence for their next outdoor cooking experience. If you'd like to have a smoking good time at your next corporate event, holiday party, or would like to join us at one of our weekly workshops, contact us today.